Remember that all the content in this video is for informational purpose, based on online resources, and it must be used for fair purpose only. We all know that, in today's generation, coding is very important, which we can observe in every part of our development. The apps we use, the games we play, working of Android, iOS, and computer software solve the best example for this. So we should know the basic things related to coding. By learning coding language, we will be able to create a software, a website, an app, and even we can learn hacking and making mods and many other things. So the next doubt you may get is, which coding language should I learn? And it actually depends on you. These are some of the coding languages that are used across the globe. Out of all this, we know Python, Java, and C++. So if you want to learn coding, I think Python is the best coding language, because it is very easy to learn and use for beginners. I may tell you more about it in next video. But coming to this video, I am going to tell you about how to watching codes of an app, how to change codes of an app, how to change app icon, name, and also installing apps that don't support your device. So watch this video till end. First of all, I am going to tell you an app, which is especially used for watching codes, and the name of this app is DEXPLORER. So let's open this app. This app shows the list of all apps that you have installed in your device. So out of all this, you can select any app. Here, I am selecting an app named CalCES. Here this app decodes all the files present in the selected app. So let's open Android manifest.xml. By opening it, we can see all the codes present in this file. In this way you can watch all the codes of an app. But by using this app, we cannot edit the codes of an app. This app doesn't affect your applications in your device, and is very useful for beginners. So if you are a beginner, and want to watch codes of your apps, then install this app now, using the link given in the description. But if you know coding, and want to edit the app in Android, then there is an app that I am going to show you, by which you can edit other apps. And the name of this app is APK EDITOR. So let's open this app. By opening this app we can find select APK fly and select app from apps options. Select any one option based on your requirement. Here I am selecting the second one. By clicking on it, we can find list of all apps that you have installed. So select an app that you want to edit. Here I am selecting background editor. After selecting app you can find list of options. So if we select full edit and then decode all files, this app decodes all the files of that application. So here you can select any file and you can change the codes correctly. Now if you come back and click on common edit.xml option, you can find list of options. Coming to this first one, you can change the app icon. Simply click on the given app icon, and select the 1:1 ratio PNG image from storage, to set it as your app icon. In the next one, you can change the app name. Enter the name that you want. So here I am setting the app name empty. I think most of the people have phones of less Android version. So we cannot install some of the apps of higher version. To use that apps in your device, install the APK file from your browser and select that app file in APK Editor and click on Common Edit options. So now, here you can find the minimum SDK version, which means the least value of version, which can be used by a device. So decrease the minimum SDK version value. So here I am keeping this value same as my device is of higher version. Don't change the version name and code, because by changing them, your app may not work properly. So after changing all the codes properly, click on Save option. It takes some time to save, based on the file size. So after saving, uninstall the app by clicking on Remove option. The edited app is stored as APK file in storage under APK Editor folder. Install it from there. So after installing, you can observe that app's name and icon gets changed without any change in the app's functions. But you must not forget that app can only work properly when you input the codes correctly. Change the app codes only if you know coding. And the next thing is, changing minimum SDK version value may not work properly for the apps that runs online. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And also share this video to your friends, so that it will be helpful to them.